How to merge your Fortnite account. So this is the updated version. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is search up Epic Games merge account, right? Then once you're here, it should take you to this page right here. And as you guys can see right here where it said there is no way to merge two Epic accounts. Player support is unable to assist you with requests for merging accounts. So as you guys can see, all the videos you've been watching on YouTube, this is all a scam. So do not fall for this. But there's one thing you could do that there's a slight chance they might help you and actually merge your account, which is probably not gonna happen, but if it does happen, you are very lucky. Which is you have this option right here where it says contact us. Once you click on contact us, there's two things you could do. So you have an option right here where it says start a live chat, which is gonna help you out a lot because you could talk to them automatically and tell them if your account got hacked or you got two accounts and if you could merge it. There's a slight chance they might help you if you have a good reason. But the second reason what you could do, you could click on the platform, click on a PlayStation, account, Fortnite, contact support, linked, or console account, right? You're just gonna click on that. Now right here, you're gonna have to describe your problem. Alright, so this is my reason right here where it said I would love to merge my account because one of them holds items and memories from back in the day I would really like to use again. It feels like a part of my Fortnite journey and merging them would let me enjoy everything I have collected over the years in one place. Thank you for considering it, right? So this is a nice simple message. So once I'm done writing the small message, what I'm going to do is submit an email request. So most likely they're not going to merge it, but there is a slight chance they might. All the videos you've been watching on YouTube, this is all a scam. So do not fall for this. All those guys, they're just trying to make money and you know what I'm saying? They're trying to scam you. So do not fall for that. This is the only way. There is a slight chance, but most likely it's not gonna happen. But if it does, you are very lucky. But thank you for watching the video. If this would have helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.